So I tried something a little bit different this time with my dyes. I wanted to create a enchanted forest colorway. So it's got a lot of, I went for a violet for the base color, and then added splashes of magenta, aqua, teal, lime green, and galah, which is a beautiful pink. And then the base fiber that I used is a cashmere merino silk. And then for the double ply slub yarns that I spun up for the first day, I decided to do a tie-dye effect for the first two colors, which were the two different colors of green, which turned out so beautiful. I just love the effect that it gives when you do a tie-dye compared to if you're just going to have the yarn in the pan and then dye over the top of the yarn with two colors. This way you get a splashes of different color of the green randomly, and then in the lighter sections I put splashes of magenta, which is wild berry, and wild raspberry, and galah. And these ones are called Secret Garden for my Secret Garden collection. The colors are a lot more beautiful than on here. A lot more. It's just, you can never get the correct color when you're trying to film or photograph compared to what you're going to see in person. But I really am very happy with the end result. So thank you so very much for joining me. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. Bye for now.